Hey everybody, my name is Stephanie Bourne. I'm the Partner Marketing Manager here at Rockwell. And joining me today is Benjamin Ash with Grenzebach, who is a gold level OEM partner in Rockwell's partner ecosystem. And today we're here to discuss how we are better together. Thank you so much for joining me, Ben.
Thank you for having me, Steph. Glad to be here.
So, can you tell our audience, what does Grenzebach do?
We are an OEM of machinery. We build multifaceted machines. These include like glass lines, material handling lines, steel lines, building products, solar panels, anything our customer needs. And we start from, we can do the whole building, the whole design of the building, from the power coming in all the way through the finished product.
Okay.
Or we can just do machines or sections of machines.
Okay. And as we dive into this concept of better together, how does that resonate with you?
Well, our partnership is not just about the past successes, it's about our future endeavors and stuff. And with Grenzebach and Rockwell and Millennium, we develop partnerships where we have a project or a need that our customer needs, that our customer wants to improve upon their production or equipment, and we get together and come up with a solution.
Can you think of a challenge or a solution that was made possible by the partnership with Rockwell?
One of the main ones we had was with First Solar, which has an energy initiative to reduce cost per kilowatt every year. Rockwell has been a key partner with us in selecting the best technologies for our customers to make this happen.
So can you share a little bit about what type of products or solutions of Rockwell that was brought into this project?
The controllers, some of the scanning devices for our robot cells, the drives. At that point, we're using a relatively new drive that was machine-oriented. So it was out on the machine. We just ran power and communication to it. And that helped a lot for maintenance and for installation.
What's the next step in the success with the partnership with Rockwell?
Just continuing that partnership. We actually have one now that Rockwell came to us for. It's a new PowerFlex 755 TR.
Okay.
I think that's the new one, or TR.
Okay.
That they will be doing a prototype for a customer.
Rockwell has an entire ecosystem of partnership. So how has that benefited Grenzebach as well as any of your end customers by having that ecosystem available?
They help support us when we're out in the field. Whether that is remote support or if it gets to where we need them on site, they've come on site with us. Also supporting the end user after we have left site.
Well, thank you so much for sharing the Better Together story. We really appreciate you being here, Ben. And for those of you watching, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.